Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. This side, I dyed my hair with Kool-Aid and food coloring. So, this is probably what you clicked on the video for anyways, is, you know, Kool-Aid hair dyeing. But this side I'm using actual hair dye. Hope you guys liked the video. Let's get into it. Hi guys! Back at it again with the DIY hair stuff. Today, I bleached my hair yesterday. That's a video I will be posting on my channel probably first. And I'm going to be dyeing my hair with Kool-Aid and food coloring. I'm going to mix it because they don't make lime Kool-Aid anymore, I guess. Oh, I was like this. Yeah, you would be nasty.
Okay.
I'm going to need a fork too. You better use soap, mother.
I did use soap.
No, please use soap on your hand.
Look.
No.
The bubble?
No, I don't see no bubbles.
Oh my god.
Scrub them together. Front and back.
I know how to wash my hands.
You washed your hands in cold water, didn't you, Mom?
Yeah, why would I wash them in... Okay. Ow, stop it. Turn around. I can't get it like that.
Okay, first things first, I guess we're parting my hair. Pony, What?
What the heck? I'm sorry. Gosh. Dang, you're so harsh.
What?
Just rewind what you just said.
What?
What you just said to me.
I said pony, mother. I know what I said.
Okay.
Where's the actual clip? Boom, parted out.
No, they're not parted. They're not parted whatsoever. Now, boom, let me part them.
Parted. Ow. I hate you. What?
You want me to do it?
No, I want to hate my life in peace. That'll be good enough.
Sorry, there's a little piece. I told you I will help you. You do it like at the root. Yeah. Okay, you got
It's
it.
good. It should hurt. Disclaimer.
Oh, okay.
Making a disclaimer here. We are not professionals. I'm not recommending you do this. I've done it before, and it's sticky and uncomfortable, and it burns your scalp too because it has citric acid in it. So, do it at your own risk. I'm not recommending that you guys do this. I'm just an idiot, and I do this stupid crap to my hair. I look, I fried my hair last night, and guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and put Kool-Aid on it, because you know that's what any sensible person would do, you know?
Not recommended.
We're doing this on the Twitter.
This is our station here.
Because we're so
Professional.
Put this in first. We're using food coloring and hair dye. That looks really orange. But it's fine, because I'm going to put a tiny, tiny bit of water in here. So give me a second. So yeah, put water in it. Now I'm going to mix in the Kool-Aid. I'm doing blue raspberry lemonade. I'm going to add conditioner. done for now. This burns and it itches and I hate my life.
Yeah, you should watch.
So I'll be back in like a couple hours. I'm gonna leave this on for a while because it's Kool-Aid and it's not real hair dye. So I'm gonna leave it on for probably like 2 or 3 hours and I'll be back to show you guys the results. Bye. I got a yellow fucking finger. So people are outside the door and I need to dye this side of my hair because look, I still have blonde roots from bleaching my hair. Because my sister got bleach on this side of my hair and now they're blonde, so I have to dye that black. And my hair's fading anyways, it's starting to look brown. Oh yeah, an update on the Kool-Aid hair coloring. Oh, do you guys see how dead my hair is? That shit got fried off. But anyways, my hair is everywhere. At least this side of my hair is still healthy. But now I know you can't see it because it's not down, but like, whatever. But it worked, kind of. Like, it didn't get my roots that good. But yeah, your parts it did. It kind of looks like a lime green. So yeah. I just woke up like a half hour ago and I'm doing this. And there's people outside the door. Last time I said that, people thought I was like, I don't know, living in an apartment or something. No, I'm at my grandfather's house, okay? I'm in the bathroom. There's people in the living room. They probably think I'm talking to myself, which is fine, because I talk to myself all the time anyways. I'm weird. I have conversations to myself, but besides the point, I need to get paper towels so I don't like stain my grandfather's sink. But I want to go out there and they see me. I look stupid. When do I not look stupid? I'm using this hair dye. Cheap. And might damage my hair. I'm just kidding. It's in the shade soft black. Do you see this? Do you freaking see this? My fingertips don't even fit. Like, how big of hands are these gloves for? I'm just kidding. Yeah, my bangs are a little oily, but like the box says don't do that on freshly washed hair. I don't feel like waiting any longer. I recorded that video of me dyeing my hair with Kool-Aid like how many days ago? Like 3 days ago. So I need to get this done. I'm a procrastinator. I'm back. Cut the tip off of this thing. Step 1. I cut it. I didn't show you guys. Sorry. Okay, then take the top off of this. Bubble. And then you get this. The colorant. Bring that up. It smells good. Does it smell good? I just kind of stuck my nose in it. Doesn't really smell like anything. That one kind of it smells good. This is gonna be plenty to dye my hair. Put the cap back on. Shake. Vigorously. I'm gonna say I'm done. I'm gonna start putting it in my hair. that's done. Took me like 20 minutes, which is not bad. Oh yeah, and before this video, I have another bleaching video. Me bleaching my hair. It's gonna be out before this hair dyeing video, but it's me bleaching my hair. It's a bleach fail, I'm just telling you guys. I'm not gonna spoil it, but didn't go out the best. So, I'll be back after I wash this out. I probably won't be back for a couple days. That's usually what happens with this video, with these videos. So. Okay, I'm back. A long time later. Oh, look at my hair. It looks like booty. You know I did this a while ago. If I already have roots coming in, I did this like 2 weeks ago. It worked. Kind of. It's like my hair is really patchy, splotchy, but I don't necessarily care. Black side, you know, boring, black, you get it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. Really, click that bell to be like so you can watch all the videos I post. Okay. Give this video a like. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Give it a like. It'll help me a lot, and I really appreciate it. Did I say subscribe? If I didn't say subscribe, subscribe. Okay. Follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description below. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.